Hello guys, welcome to Tech and Target. I am Shubham and today I am going to discuss about TCS interview experience. TCS conduct an exam known as NQT and it is of two types. One is cognitive, the other one is programming. You have to give both of them to get into the digital or the ninja profile. Coming on to my interview, my first interview was TR and MR round which was on 6th of August. It was 35 minutes long and the other interview was on HR round was on 7th of August. It was 10 minutes long. Starting with the technical round, he asked me the very basic question, that is introduce yourself, and I have prepared it from the Tech and Target videos. You can also prepare it from there because he has included each and every point you have to answer at that time. The second question he asked me, again the basic question, that is what is who, and it will be very beneficial and it will be very good answer if you add examples with it. The third question he asked me why you like Java and what are the advantages of Java. Then I told him that it is platform independent and it's great library and all those things. After that he asked me what is garbage collection, and I told him that to clear off memory this kind of thing called as garbage collection is used, and you can learn all those definitions from Geeks for Geeks and from Guru 99. Those websites are really helpful. After that he asked me that did you use Java in machine learning project which you have done. I told him that I have done machine learning in my introduce yourself, and I answered that no, I haven't used machine learning there. Continuing with the previous question, he asked why didn't you use Java in machine learning. So I told him that you can use Java in machine learning, but the sources from which you can learn and the libraries which are made for machine learning are not much more compatible with Java. You can learn it and you can execute it if you have learned Python. It will be very much good for you and it will be very beneficial for you if you use Python for machine learning. Then he asked me some difference between Java and Python, and I told him the definitions and all those things. I took some points from the previous answers also. And moving on to the next question, he asked me the difference between equal and not equal. I told him the definitions, and I told him that one is operator and the other one is method. And after that he asked what is linear and non-linear data structures. I answered him the definitions and told him the examples. Again, very basic question, what is database? Then he asked me what is machine learning. I told brief about the machine learning and I told him what is my project, the facial expression recognition. And the last question, I think he asked me that can you make a Fibonacci series? And I compiled it, but there was a little error in that. So he said, yeah, I got your point, so you can move on. Moving on to the management round, he asked me the difference between AI and ML, and I answered the definition and examples with that. After that, he asked me what is cloud. I have not prepared any project and I have not mentioned it in my resume, anything about cloud. But then also he asked me what is cloud. So I told him very frankly that I just know the definition, not practically. I don't know it practically. So he told me what is the definition. I told him the definition that you can store anything on the cloud and you can get it and fetch it from there, and everything becomes easy if you use cloud. You don't have to use your own memory there. And after that he asked me any relocation problem. I said no. Shift problem, no. And after that he asked me any questions for me, and I asked him that how did TCS manage from the COVID times, and this is the question that I have took from the Tech and Target videos. Again, thanks to him. And that's all about my TR and MR. Moving on to the HR round, he asked me just 4 questions, and these were all yes and no questions. And the first question is, if you are selected, then you can join immediately. I said yes. Any relocation problem? I said no. And I replied, I love my India with that. Then he asked me shifts problem. I said no. Then he asked me, do you have all your mark sheets? And I told him, yes, I have. Please do like, share and subscribe Tech and Target. This channel is really helpful for all those who are preparing for interviews. Thank you.